Now I'm reading the 10th sum. Anand owed 2,800 to bank and had cash 460 in hand, he said. So Anand owed. Owing means what, ma? Owing means what? Appu unnadu ani ardham. Owing means what? He has to pay to the bank. Anand has to pay to the bank. It's not like something favorable. Appu unnadu ante it's like favorable or unfavorable? What it is? Owing means what?
Debts, ma'am.
Debtor. So that's why this opening balance is not a favorable balance. This is overdraft balance. What it is? It's overdraft balance. So overdraft balance means, will it comes on the receipts or a payment side?
Payment side, ma'am.
That's the
Payment.
reason here on April 1st we are going to write as by balance brought down
Brought
in
down.
the bank column as 2,800 like this. So if anybody had a doubt where we have to write overdraft, will they get favorable balance? Means yes, they will get definitely the favorable balance, and as well as they'll also get unfavorable. So this we call it as overdraft. Okay, overdraft means then cash is already in the hand itself. So cash in the hand means what? It is what?
Debit, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a receipt. So that will come to balance brought down on the cash column as 460.
460.
This is a favorable column. It came on the debit side because it is a receipt. Okay. Now see the next one. He drew cash for office use 1,600 and paid wages 1,000. So this is a combination of two transactions. In half part, he's saying that he drew a cash for office use, and next half part he's saying that he paid wages also. So what we have, two transactions are mixed in this one. Do not get confused. Simply you break the transaction. So first you look only first part of it. First you look only for the first part. What is the first part here?
He drew cash for
Cash
office
from office
use.
use.
So
It's
he
a
is drawing a
payment,
cash
ma'am.
from office use itself. So he drew means from here he'll draw. Obviously from the
Bank.
bank. So that's why here it is what? It is bank involved and as well as cash is involved.
Cash involved.
So when bank and a cash are involved, so these entries are called as what?
Contra entry.
Yes, contra entry. So first contra entry I will see from which point of view?
Cash.
Cash.
So I am drawing the cash from the bank means my cash is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
So it will be on which side? Debit
Debit
side.
side.
So I
Debit
will
side.
write, yeah, I'll write to bank and it is a contra. I have to write C symbol. So I'm writing it. So how much I have drawn? 1,600. So now
100.
first posting is completed. Now second posting we have to write it, no? So here this is a contra. So that is the entry will be cash
Cash
account
account.
Cash rate.
debit to
Bank.
Bank account.
Bank account.
Homework
so
ఏం
here
లేదు ఈరోజు.
I have done this one. So what I'm going to write here on the second
By
page
cash.
by
Cash.
Contra
which
entry.
column? Bank column.
Bank
Bank
column.
column 1,600.
1,600.
Next, see the next one. ఇంకా ఇవ్వలేదు సెకండ్
Paid wages.
paid means what?
Payments, ma'am.
Yeah, and it will come again on the
Credit side.
now. Did he say check? Paid
No,
wages
ma'am.
by check. So obviously which column will take?
Cash column.
1,000 rupees will take in the cash column.
1,000.
Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
ఎట్లా రాసినావు
Next.
He sold goods.
he sold
Sold
goods for
goods.
cash
Yeah, he sold goods for cash and bought goods for cash. So again, this is a combination of two entries. First he
Yes,
sold,
ma'am.
then he purchased. So for sales, what we'll do?
Debit, ma'am.
Debit side. So what we are going to write here? To
Sales account.
to
so
sales
date is
account
7. So we'll write to sales.
Sale
Now
of
what he said here? Did he say
Cash.
check? No, cash. So
No.
let's
no
say
cash
I will write 400 in this one. Then
400.
second bit of transaction. Second bit of transaction is what?
brought goods for
Bought
cash
goods for
What
cash.
means what? What is happening to my cash?
Purchase.
Yeah,
purchases
Credit, ma'am.
credit side. So it will come as buy.
by purchases
Purchases.
So which column?
Cash column.
cash column 300
Yeah. Next, he received a check for 1315 full settlement for 1400 from Ajit. Deposited same in the bank, he said. So on the 9th,
Receipts,
what
ma'am.
happened? We received the check. Received means it's what?
Receipts, ma'am.
receipt side
A receipt side. So here total
Debit.
check amount. 9th. So from whom I'm receiving? To Ajit.
Ajit.
Now what he said? Ajit,
Check,
actually we have to we have to receive 1400, but we have received only 1350 and we settled data. So ante 50 rupees, what I should assume?
Discount.
So discount I will assume. I have written this one. Now Ajit, we received a check on a same day or sorry, through check or a cash?
Check, ma'am.
Check. So that is
Bank.
usually we'll write in the bank column, but usually
Bank
what
column.
from yesterday we are seeing it is deposited in the next day. So adi ala unda lekapothe he said deposited on the same day.
Same day, ma'am.
Same day. So
same
that's
Same.
why I'm going to take directly 1350 into the bank column only.
Bank column.
Then he paid Ram Vilas by check 890 in full settlement of 900. So 900 ke badaluga 890 ఇచ్చి settle చేసాం. So 10 rupees is treated as what?
Discount.
Yeah, right.
Discount.
Discount, right? Discount. Now, but first received or paid ID?
Paid.
Payment
Paid.
paid. So
Paid,
paid,
ma'am.
it will be on which side?
payment side
Payment side, that is credit side. So here, this transaction comes on this side on a payment side. So it is, what is the date? 11th.
11
So whom I am making a payment? By
Ram Vilas. By Ram Vilas.
Ram
Ram
Vilas.
Vilas. And what did we pay? And here 10 rupees is a discount because 900, 890 we are paying. Now through cash or a check?
Check,
Check.
ma'am. Bank account.
So
bank,
it's a
ma'am.
bank amount, 890.
890
Next, he received 215 for sale of old newspaper. He received means what?
receipt
Debit,
side
ma'am. Receipts account.
It's a receipt, it's on the debit side. So what is the date?
15
15th.
15.
So because of
sales.
why I received to sale of
newspaper
Papers.
So did he say check?
No.
no ma'am
So
ma'am.
that's why I'm going to take 215 in the cash column.
Cash.
Next, he bought one bicycle by check for 1,150. He also paid municipal taxes in cash of 200, he said. So he bought means what?
Purchase, ma'am.
So when he
Credit.
purchases
Payment
cash,
side.
cash will be going
Credit.
out. Yeah, credit.
Okay, going
side.
out.
So
Credit.
17th by
Purchase.
purchase
bicycle. Purchase rastama, bicycle rastama. Whenever it is hatke, it is
Bicycle.
different. We'll highlight that particular thing only. So by bicycle, I'll write. Now, is it the payment through cash or a check?
Check,
Check.
ma'am.
Taken. On the same day, again, what he is doing? He is also
Paid municipal taxes, ma'am.
Municipal
So,
taxes.
yeah.
Paid means credit payments.
Now this, did he say check?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Cash.
Cash.
So which column?
200.
In the
Cash
cash
column.
Cash.
Yeah. Next, he received Ajit's check dishonored from bank. Bank charged 10 rupees towards the same, he said. So he received Ajit's check dishonored. So dishonored means what did I say? It's simply we have to go for
Payment. Credit.
cancelling. Yeah, credit, correct. Cancelling. Cancelling ante opposite. So Ajit first time he is standing on 9th day. Which side?
Debit side.
Debit
Debit
side.
side. Now he will come down to the opposite
Credit
side
side.
means credit. So there it was to Ajit. So here also I should write by because వాడినే కదా క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేది మనం. So by
Yes,
Ajit
ma'am.
అని రాస్తాం. అయితే ఇక్కడ the check amount, how much is in the bank column? Leave about a discount, only bank amount. 1350, right?
1350, ma'am.
But what happened? Bank has charged again extra bank charges ఇచ్చింది. సో ఆ 1350 మీరు రాసేసి మళ్ళీ సపరేట్గా 18th సపరేట్గా 18th you're going to show it as by bank charges అలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా, అలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. లేదు అంటే లైక్ ఇలా చూపించవచ్చు. మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ట్రా బై బ్యాంక్ చార్జెస్ అంటే అర్థం కావట్లేదు అంటే ఇలా సపరేట్ రాసేయచ్చు. బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ షోయింగ్ సపరేట్. వై? బికాస్ ఈ చార్జెస్ వాడు అన్ని ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోసం తీసుకోవట్లేదు. జస్ట్ ఓన్లీ బికాస్ ద చెక్ గాట్ డిజానర్డ్, వాడు రెప్యుటేషన్ దెబ్బతినిందని హీ టుక్ ఎక్స్ట్రా చార్జ్ ఫ్రమ్ అస్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఐ షుడ్ షో ఇన్ దట్ అమౌంట్ ఓన్లీ. నో, సో ఐ షుడ్ స్పెసిఫై దట్ దిస్ అమౌంట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు దిస్ వన్. అందుకే 1350 is the check amount plus extra 10 rupees is the charges. Total together how much I'll write in the amount column? 13
60.
60.
సో ఇక్కడ 1350 ఇక్కడ 1350 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. మిగులుతుంది ఎంత? 10 రూపీస్. ఆ 10 రూపీస్
10 rupees.
బ్యాంక్ చార్జెస్.
Bank charge.
ఓకే డన్.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Next.
ma'am.
Yeah. He received from Ajit a fresh check for total amount including bank charges. So again we received a new fresh check from Ajit itself. So when we received again, what we'll write?
Debit.
Yeah, right. Received means what? Debit only. So here I'll
Debit.
write to ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి రిసీవ్ చేస్తున్నాను మళ్ళీ? Ajit only.
Ajit.
Right, Ajit only. But what he said, we are receiving a fresh, total fresh check from Ajit itself. Total actual గా Ajit
Total
first
amount.
మనకి ఎంత డ్యూ ఉన్నాడు?
1350.
డ్యూ
No,
ఎంత ఉన్నాడు?
1400, ma'am.
When he says
1400.
specifically total amount, then it means that a total 1400 అని అర్థం. బికాస్ నేను డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చేసాను బై మిస్టేక్, బట్ యాక్చువల్గా అది బౌన్స్ అయింది. సో దట్స్ వై నవ్ ఐఎమ్ ఛార్జింగ్ టోటల్ అమౌంట్ నీ దగ్గర నుంచి అని ఫుల్ అమౌంట్ నేను వాడి దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నాను. సో హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్? 1400 is the total 100. ప్లస్ బ్యాంక్ చార్జెస్ 10 రూపీస్ అది కూడా వీడి దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నాను. బికాస్ యూ డిడ్ నాట్ పేడ్, అది నేను ఎందుకు భరించాలి అని ఆ 10 రూపీస్ కూడా వేసాను. సో టోటల్ డిస్కౌంట్ total new check amount is how much, ma?
1410 rupees.
10 rupees.
1410 rupees, correct kada? So ee 1410 I have to show as a check kabatti I have to show in the bank column.
Bank column.
To the 21st transaction,
He deposited Ajit check into bank.
అంటే ఏ రోజు మనం డిపాజిట్ చేస్తున్నాం అజిత్ చెక్?
21st.
మరి ఈ రోజు రాయొచ్చా? 21st రోజు కదా డిపాజిట్ ఉండాలి. మరి ఇప్పుడు బ్యాంక్ లో వేయకూడదు కదా. సో if I should not
Yes,
post
ma'am.
in the bank, I'm left over with only one column. What is that column?
Cash
Yeah.
column.
So we will post this amount in the cash column. Meantime.
Cash column.
Okay, understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, he deposited Ajit's check into the bank itself. So he deposited Ajit's check into the bank. So when he deposited, the transaction will be what? Now, Ajit's
Contra
check is in the form of check or a cash?
Deposited means
యా
check,
అజిత్ చెక్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అయిపోయింది? అజిత్ చెక్ 1410 మనం ఎందులో వేసాం?
bank లో.
20 ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ చూడండి, అది ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది? అజిత్ చెక్
Cash.
క్యాష్ ఫామ్ లో ఉంది కదా.
Cash form లో ఉంది. Yes, ma'am.
మరి ఇప్పుడు డిపాజిట్ చేసాము అంటే ఏం డిపాజిట్ చేసినట్టు?
Cash.
క్యాష్. క్యాష్ ఎందులో డిపాజిట్ చేస్తున్నాము?
Bank low. Bank low.
బ్యాంక్ లో, కరెక్ట్. సో బ్యాంక్ ఇస్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్, క్యాష్ ఇస్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్. సో వాట్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ నౌ?
Contra entry.
Yeah,
Contra.
so the transaction will be bank account debit to,
Cash
Cash.
account.
okay, understood? So now we, as contra entry always, we see from which point of view first? From the,
Cash point of view.
yeah.
Sir.
So now cash is here, cash is going out. When I deposit, cash is going out. So I'll write as 21st by, where it is going to
Cash. Bank.
the bank account. So here I'm going to write. Then like this. Now this one will write opposite entry here also, no? To opposite.
To
Cash.
cash.
Which column?
Bank
Bank
column.
column.
That's it. Now total it. So here one favorable balance you are going to get it, one unfavorable balance you are going to get it for this sum. So you people are going to total it on both the sides, Nana, and you will see whichever side total is more, that we are going to highlight. So for this sum, cash you are going to get favorable balance. So cash debit balance manam total ga chupistamu, but whereas bank higher total is on the credit side. So that higher total will show it on both the sides. So ikkada debit eppudu ravali ani condition ledu. It can be debit or it can be credit. సో ఏది ఎక్కువ ఉంటే అది మనం హైలైట్ చేయాలన్నమాట.
మ్యామ్ క్యాష్ వచ్చి డెబిట్ సైడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది మ్యామ్.
ఎంత?
4085.
యా రైట్.
బ్యాంక్ క్రెడిట్ ఎక్కువ
ఎంత నాన్న?
క్రెడిట్స్
7800.
యా రైట్
800 మ్యామ్.
రైట్. So here now I'm taking 50 here and this is 4085 and their bank we have more, so 7,800 here. So same
800.
thing we are going to carry here, but whereas discount here it is only 10 rupees, whereas cash is 408
4,000.
8, 5,
5 and this is 7,800. So
7,800.
one balance we got
7,800.
on debit side, one balancing figure we got on the credit side. So here we are going to write, this is the last day. April last day is 30. So by balance carried
Balance.
down. What we call this one? Overdraft. So, oh, sorry, not overdraft. This one is favorable only. So how much it is?
1,175.
1,170.
Yeah, right. So this is normal. But whereas here we got this one, no? So we got one balancing figure this side. That is 30. Two balance brought down. So this we call it as overdraft. How much?
5,000.
5,040, ma'am.
Hmm. So next again it will be affected here, no? So May 1st, two balance brought down 7,500 and we call this one favorable. And here again it comes May 1st, by balance brought down
5,040.
so this one we call it as okay. Take down screenshots. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now take down 9th problem. That will be your homework. So I'll discuss. Now in the 9th problem, what is it? So 9th problem also opening we have overdraft, Nana. April 30 is the last date, not 31st. Make out the 3-column cash book of Ram and Mohan from the following particulars. So first is cash in hand itself. Cash is in the hand itself, Nana. So it's a favorable or unfavorable? Receipt or payment? Cash is in hand.
Receipt.
Receipt.
Yeah, it will
Ma'am.
come to balance brought down. Next, bank overdraft. Overdraft అంటే ఎటువైపు overdraft అంటే ఎక్కువ తీసుకున్నాము అని. So it's a receipt or a payment. It's a kind of a loan. So it's receipt or a payment, Nana.
Payment.
Overdraft. Just see, refer the first transaction of this problem. Yeah, payment, credit side. What we have written on the above, on the screen, credit side. Buy balance, brought down. What we have written? Buy balance, brought
Brought down.
Brought
So
down.
you have to write. If you want, write it down. Refer problem, current 10th problem. First transaction. Refer 10th problem, first transaction. Okay. Next, paid salaries for March. Paid means what?
Payment
Payment.
side.
Payment, and will be on the credit side. What is where it will be? Credit side. So buy salaries. Did you say check here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So which column?
Cash column.
Cash.
Yeah, right. Buy salaries, cash column. Purchased goods for cash.
Payment side, ma'am.
Yeah,
Credit,
purchase
ma'am.
again is the credit payment. So buy purchases, which column?
Cash
Cash
column.
Cash column, right.
Cash
Next,
column.
Cash sales. On the same day he gave cash sales.
Debit.
Debit side.
Debit, ma'am.
side. So what will write here? To
Two sales.
Sales
Two
account.
sales.
sales account, right. Issued check in favor of Krishna and Co. to settle his account for 270. Issued means what?
Payment, ma'am.
Payment.
Payment, right. So buy
Credit
Krishna
side,
and
ma'am.
Co. Yeah, buy Krishna and Co. 260 icham, 270 badal. So 10 rupees is treated as what?
Discount.
Yeah, right. Has it?
Discount.
So which column?
Payment side.
Yeah, payment.
Bank column.
Bank column. Received
Bank
cash
column,
from
bank.
Dhanwan.
Bank column.
Received cash from Dhanwan. Received.
Debit,
side.
ma'am. Receipt.
Debit side, it's a receipt. So to Dhanwan. And he
Debit,
said
ma'am.
cash. So which column? Cash column.
Cash column.
Cash. Cash
Next.
column.
Yeah. Received check from Ali Brothers in full settlement of 200. So 200 బదులుగా 190 full settle చేసుకున్నాం. So 10 rupees is treated as what?
Discount allowed.
Discount. So
Discount.
received checks means what?
Receipt side.
Receipt.
Debit,
side.
ma'am. Receipt, sir.
Yeah. Cash sent to bank. It's a cash deposited ardham. Cash deposited into bank. Cash is involved. Yeah, contra entry. And refer transaction number 21st in this problem. Refer transaction number 21st in this problem.
21st.
Hmm.
Okay.
Check issued in favor of Ravi Brothers for purchase of furniture. Check issued in favor of Ravi Brothers for purchase of furniture.
Credit, ma'am.
Yeah,
Credit side, ma'am.
credit, right. But what I will
Credit
write?
side, ma'am.
Yeah. What I will write?
Furniture.
Yeah, right. Buy
Furniture.
furniture. We have to write because it's asset. We should
Furniture.
Right.
Asset name.
Right. Check of Ali Brothers dishonored bank debits in respect of charges. Check of Ali Brothers dishonored. Dishonored means
Cancel.
cancel the entry. So where will write first?
Cancel.
Sorry. How we have written Ajit?
Credit.
Yeah.
Debit
So credit
side.
side by Ali Brothers అని రాస్తారు. And just write refer transaction number 18 in the current problem. Transaction number 18. వాడు అక్కడ 10 రూపీస్ చార్జ్ చేశాడు, ఇక్కడ 2 రూపీస్ బ్యాంక్ చార్జెస్ తీసుకున్నాడు. సో అక్కడ ఎలా రాస్తారు, ఇక్కడ ఇలా రాస్తారు. పేడ్ రెంట్ బై చెక్. పేడ్ రెంట్.
By
Rent,
Payment
ma'am.
side.
It's a payment, credit
Payment,
side, buy
credit.
rent. But what? Cash or check?
check.
So కాబట్టి bank
Check, ma'am.
column. Yeah.
Bank column.
Bank collects interest on securities.
Credit.
That is what I said.
Charge.
But remember, bank charges అంటే మన దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నట్టు, బట్ బ్యాంక్ కలెక్ట్స్ అంటే నా బదులుగా అది కలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు లెక్క. అలా సింపుల్ గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. బ్యాంక్ చార్జెస్ అంటే నా మీద అది చార్జ్ చేసినట్టు, అంటే డబ్బు తీసుకుంటున్నట్టు. బట్ బ్యాంక్ కలెక్ట్స్ అని ఎప్పుడైతే ఇస్తాడో అది మన బదులుగా ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ us it is collecting a money. On behalf of me it is collecting a money. That is what I have to assume. Okay ma? So this transaction, you just write refer transaction number, sorry, refer problem number 7, transaction number 18. We have written bank collected dividends on shares. Do you remember? Bank collected dividends on shares. What we have done? We said it's a receipt.
Debit.
Yeah, debit. The same thing will apply here. అది ఇది సేమ్ జస్ట్ అక్కడ డివిడెంట్ అన్నాడు ఇక్కడ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అన్నాడు సో ప్రాబ్లమ్ నెంబర్ 7 18th transaction if you want to go for reference you can go for it okay understand
Ma'am, attendance.
yeah yes Sarla just take a screenshot and send me I'll forward in the group Sarla
Okay, ma'am.